Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. I'm here to share Jamie at over at Poetspice. She is having a gosh, what do you call this? I guess it's a collaboration. It's called Flowers and Critters Collaboration 2026. I'll have the hashtag in my title so you can go check everybody out. Jamie had she invited me and asked if I'd like to join in, and I said of course. And so all we have to do is just create something with flowers and critters. Now, critters to me, I guess I didn't take it, literally. I mean, these are critters like a fox, a squirrel, a raccoon, but I thought it was just animals. So, Jamie, let me know if this is not what you were talking about. but, but I had to, I love bears. So, but this is not a grizzly bear. Okay. It's more of a polar bear. So I guess if it was a grizzly bear, it would be perfect, right? I don't know. I might have gotten the collaboration mixed up, but I used this stamp from Peachy Keen, and Peachy Keen is no longer selling photopolymer and dyes at in their site, but I think they're going digitally, so you can still purchase um, their stamped images. Um, but I had to use this one again. I just love this stamp. Um, so what I did was I paper pieced her hat. She almost looks like a little bunny rabbit, but she's not. It's a polar bear. But I just love how her hat looks. Paper piece, the red cardstock and the pattern paper that has flowers. I colored her with my Copics, just kind of outline her in like a light blue. Colored her paws with a gray, I think it was C1, very light gray. I even gave her some rosy cheeks, and then I kind of added some highlights to the ice cream, to her hat, and to her cheeks. I just think she's just adorable. And then in the red panel here, I added, or I embossed with a, where is my, did I have it here? I thought I did. It is Birds and Swirl Cuttlebug. It's an old embossing folder. Yeah, I added a stamp in the back. I also added some papers in the just to decorate the inside. I don't know if I'm going to use this for Valentine's Day or just for a birthday card and put it in my stash, so when I need one I can just pull it out and then stamp in my sentiment. So yeah. So I don't know if this is what Jamie was wanting. I know that I did the flower part correct, hopefully, but the critters probably not. Not the critters that they wanted. But anyway, but I think she turned out really cute. She's adorable. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you, Jamie, for inviting me. Let me know if I did it wrong or not in the comments below. Or if you want to see more forest critters. I did not hear anything or see anything about specifics, so oh gosh, I'm always second guessing myself. So thanks everybody for watching. Thank you, Jamie, for the invite. And go check everybody out down below. They are amazing crafters, and I'm sure they won't disappoint. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.